Hey everybody, welcome back to 3Cog. Today we're doing a really quick how-to on how to swap out your ear cups on Walker's razors, and going from the standard foam pad to gel cups. So for those of you wondering why, gel cups just conform to the head better. They provide a better seal. They're a little bit more comfortable for longer wearing. They're overall an improvement, and they're like $17. Link below to where you can pick yours up. They're worth it, and they keep your eye pro attached to your face a little bit better. So these are Oakley gas cans, my normal sunglasses. When I put my eye pro on, if I try to pull it off, the left side pulls way more easily than the right side. So with that gel cup forming around the sunglass, the sides of the sunglasses, it really holds it better and more tightly, which is a good thing. So on to the how-to. So I already did this one. Now I'm doing this one. All you got to do is take a knife, go in right on the seam on the side, and get it in there and twist. Old one comes off. New one goes on. They are shaped top and bottom. So new one goes on. And all you got to do is line everything up, press it in all the way around. And that is it. Yeah, that's a way better feel. I've had these razors forever. I like them. As you can see, it's all fraying at the top and stuff. It's almost time for a new set, but not yet. So the gel cups, absolutely worth it. I like the Walker's razors. Thanks for watching. See you next time on 3Cog.